Hi guys, a video on Uranium Energy Corporation. So if you haven't seen, probably not because it doesn't get a lot of views, the S&P 500, I changed my view a little bit and we thought, like in the video we went and like brainstormed a level to find where we could bottom because on the 4 hourly chart we were getting oversold again and a lot of charts are look like, in my opinion, need a bounce. So currently we're getting it from what we discussed in that video, and yeah, let's see. We have 15 minutes left. If we can close this one green, it would be really nice. Then we have a strong potential bottoming candle, but we've had attempts. Often we have failed them all since October 29th. But okay, back to Uranium Energy. We have reached the level we were looking for, 1165, and now, yeah, also reaching almost oversold on the 4 hourly. Crucially, we have lower volume in this move than we had in this move, so I don't consider this a third wave. I still consider it a ABC. Okay, and we are at the 1-to-1 together with the 0.382 fib. So that's, yeah, a little bit of confidence. On the 1 hourly, we are already in the floor. So let's see. We still have 2 hours and a bit to close the day, the week. What can I do? I have my alarm here for overlap with this. If we have that, then yeah, a 1, 2, 3 is already invalid because a wave 4 we don't want overlap. But this is also way too short to be considered a wave 3. So to be really confirming that we have, or like to really confirm that we have bottomed, we want to see the 886 hit to invalidate a potential 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 to the downside. Okay, so hitting 1576 would be a first, yeah, confirmation in my opinion that we're going higher. But already now I added a little bit more to my bag. I sold here a little bit. I didn't sell everything. I wish I sold a little bit more, but it's always difficult, and especially when, yeah, the hype is there like this. I knew it was going to correct, especially with energy fields as well. I said, look, this candle, it's a topping candle. The volume, the redness, we have to correct. I knew it, but still I didn't cut my position as much as I had to. Like, no, not as much as I had to, but I could have cut it by a bit more, and then I would have now more cash to buy at way cheaper than it was back then. But like, yeah, lesson learned. Hopefully next time I can control it a little bit better. I already am happy with what I did, but still, it could have been better. Also, this was very nice. We called this likely being a corrective move, and yeah, then we threw this box here and we are here now. So it's respecting what we are saying, but now we need then to see a reaction to the upside. Also here you can see volume is declining. So yeah, what can I add more? Maybe the 618 as well, because should we go down, then this is maybe a zone we could find resistance at as well, the 0.5, 0.618 levels. So yeah, to the downside, if we fall more, watch the 10.74 and then the 10.20 level, and then to the upside 13.66, 14.27, and then if we can get here, it would be, yeah, really good. But risk to buy now is lower than it was here. Okay, and still I'm looking for a 4-5 and then another 4-5 on this chart, and then maybe that's only a 1-2 setup, but yeah, maybe we can push towards here. I don't know, it's too early. Uranium Corp are advancing United States uranium refining and yeah. Next earnings date not defined yet, but they don't report anything. Look, it's they decide not to sell. Look here, they decide to report and to sell. They don't have debt, so they can play with their reporting like they want to. But okay, need to watch Formula 1 now. I'll do more updates later. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.